What's up everybody, Justin at S&K Greenhouse, and today, well, this video is going to be a tad bit different because I have a huge and important announcement to make. I started a raised bed company. For the last 2 years, I've been meeting with manufacturers and design engineers and my two partners to create the very raised bed you see in front of me today. And although it's been an awesome journey, it's also been a massive undertaking. So why did I start this company, you ask? Well, it all started with the wooden raised beds that you guys are so accustomed to seeing me garden in and doing tutorials. And though these beds have served me well, in the last 4 years, they're already starting to deteriorate. And not only do I not want to rebuild those raised beds, I've been looking to expand my gardening footprint so I can do more gardening tutorials and grow more vegetables for you guys. And through that process, I've been dreaming of a raised bed that you could build without the use of drills or socket wrenches or screwdrivers or wrenches. I teamed up with a couple partners and we created a company called Gro-Rite Garden. And our first product is the 6-in-1 modular raised bed that can be put together with absolutely no tools, no nuts, no screws, no bolts, no washers. And the best part, it can be put together in 10 minutes or less. And rather than just talking about it, I'd rather show you how our patent pending design works. And for this demonstration, I can think of no better person to help me assemble it than my beautiful wife, Carrie. Never seen before on camera. Carrie, say hey to everybody.
Hey everybody.
So when Carrie and I first met, you were not an avid gardener.
It's true.
And I remember you didn't even like homegrown tomatoes.
Shh, don't be telling people that.
But she did get her heart right. And I remember we were rototilling when we first met. I was showing you how to traditional garden because we were not yet into raised bed gardening. I think I can still find that picture of you in your tennis shoes with the rototiller.
Never going back to that life. Raised beds for life.
But once we started with the raised beds, it made things so much easier. Now we're both out there pulling weeds, watering, harvesting, and we really enjoy the produce we get.
We do.
But we are competitive.
We are.
And we want to see who can put together the raised bed the fastest. We're going to do 2 different configurations. Carrie's going to be putting together the 5-foot by 3.5-foot configuration. I'm going to be putting together the long skinny configuration, which is 6-foot by 2.5 foot. No, 2 foot by 6.5 foot, sorry. And it's the same number of panels and rods, so the quickest person wins.
All right.
Okay, Al, count us down.
3, 2, 1.
Cheater.
I'm nervous.
Me too. You should be nervous, I feel like.
Oh.
If you get beat by your wife, what will people say?
It's not going to happen. I won't have to worry about it.
Alex, if I need your help, come in. So far, so good. How's it looking, Alex? I'm scared to look. This is the part that I excel in, though. You don't.
You got to get it all the way on, too.
I am.
No cheating.
You may not cheat. I know how you do.
You'll leave it halfway.
Nope. I know how you are. Alex can check us when we're done. Gotta fix this one piece. Oh shoot! I came undone. Hold on. Should we call it a tie?
I don't know. I think I might
I
have
don't know. We need to go back and do the instant replay.
I think I might have been a half second.
No, my thing came
ahead.
undone, but I clearly won.
I think I won that.
I hate to point out the elephant in the room, but we all know that if Justin would not have knocked my panel over at the beginning, I would have had a clear lead the whole time.
Let's put a vote down in the comment sections. Vote Carrie if you think she won, or put Justin won if you think I won. And I just want to point out though, the 5 foot by 3.5 foot configuration, pick it up and show them how strong and light it is. It holds together very well. We've tested it, holds soil, does it both. There's extra support braces that we didn't do in the demonstration. This is also the 6.5 foot by 2 foot bed. And I like this one if maybe you have a more narrow space. This kind of can fit in like a skinny landscape maybe. But either way, you're growing tons of vegetables out of these. Let me tell you what else I love about these raised beds. One, they have a 20-year lifespan. Two, they're made from alu zinc steel material. So they're strong and they're not going to leach any harsh chemicals into your soil. It's also coated with a USDA regulated paint, and it's also reflective. So even in very hot climates, these beds are not going to heat up too much. I love the height. It's 17 inches tall, so there's less bending when you're working, maybe pulling some weeds out, whatever you got to do, planting some vegetables or seeds. And finally, our patent pending slide rod technology. I love the way this is designed because it's easy to put together and it addresses the weak point where the panels connect by slotting a steel rod down between them. Folks, I am so excited to tell you that if you're watching this video in current time, these beds are available for pre-order right now, and they're going to start shipping out in late April of 2024, just in time to get your spring gardening going. Right now we're offering free shipping. Just head over to growritegarden.com. Link will be in the description, and get yours pre-ordered now because we are expected to sell out. We have limited quantities on this first production run. Although the concept is very simple, trust me, the design engineers and I spent countless hours coming up with something that was toolless, intuitive, and cost efficient. Thank you guys in advance for the support of this mission to make gardening accessible to everyone. And also thank you for the support of this channel, as we're going to be pumping out some more vegetable content coming soon. And until next time, become a plant person.